Your brain is shrinking right now, but this one diet can stop it. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and if you're serious about living longer, thinking sharper, and protecting your heart, you're in the right place. Today we're covering a brand new 2026 study that finally explains why the Mediterranean diet works, and it goes deeper than anyone expected. Right into your cells. Inside every cell in your body are tiny power plants called mitochondria. Scientists have recently discovered these mitochondria produce microscopic proteins. Two of them are called Humanin and SHMOOSE. Both are linked to protection against heart disease, brain decline, and accelerated aging. Until now, nobody knew food could influence them. Researchers at USC studied blood samples from older adults. The ones who followed the Mediterranean diet most closely had significantly higher levels of both proteins and measurably lower oxidative stress. That's the cellular damage that drives aging and chronic disease. Here's what moved the needle. Olive oil raised both proteins. Fish 3 or more times a week raised humanin. Legumes twice a week raised humans. And cutting refined carbs raised SHMOOSE. Simple, whole food, no supplements. The lead researcher called these proteins molecular messengers. Signals your body sends when you feed it well. The goal now is to use them as biomarkers to personalize nutrition for healthy aging at the cellular level. This isn't general wellness advice anymore. This is molecular science, confirming what the Mediterranean diet has shown for decades. So the takeaway is simple. Olive oil, fish, and legumes aren't just healthy foods. They're activating anti-aging proteins inside your cells right now. If you found that useful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. The full article with references and recipes is linked below. Take care. Ray.